Hey, in this demo, we will be building a scraper that will extract the list of data, in this case, list of products from the Product Hunt search page. And in order to do that, let's start the Bardeen and click on the Create Agent button, scrape the web, scrape this template. And here we need to pick the template that we would like to use, or as we would like to build them ourselves. We'll clicking on this plus button, create new scraper template, picking the tab on which we would like to create that automation, build on our own. And the first step will be to teach the agent where the list is located on this page, because there might be multiple lists, and depending on your needs, you might want to scrape one or another. And to do that, we need to pick an item inside of, like any item inside of any list, in this case, list of product. I'll click on the name of the Bardeen. Then in this model, I'll pick list. Now, in order for Bardeen to learn what are the list items on this page, I need to pick another item, meaning I should not pick elements inside of the Bardeen, because we know that the first item is Bardeen and we would like to pinpoint to a second item or any other item. So let's say if I pick an item in here, the list will be defined. And as you can see, we're now picking all the items on this page. Depending on type of the page, you might want to use, let's say, click pagination, in which case Bardeen will automatically click on the next button. Or if, let's say, you're operating on a scrolling page, this will scroll till the page reaches the end. So for now, let's use none. So we will be scraping whatever is available on this page. And the next step will be to define what we would like to scrape. So we need to pick the item we would like to scrape, get text, let's say, and name it. This is going to be the name. This is one liner. Let's get also review. Here we go. We can also name our automation, because in the end, this will end up in the list of the scraper models that we have. And for easily locating it, we can name this Product Hunt Search Page Extractor. And yeah, in case you would like to remove any fields that were created, you can do it from this menu. Let's hover it, click on delete. Here we go. When the agent is ready, you can click on save. And let's say you would like to update it. So you forgot to add another field, or you would like to rename it, or whatever modification needed. We can click on this edit button. And then we can pick the additional fields that we would like to get. So let's say in this case, we will get description. And if you need to rearrange the columns, you can do directly from here. And when the automation is ready, you can click on the Save Agent. And here we go. Now we can execute the automation and ensure that it's getting all the relevant results. And as soon as this is ready, we might want to move that into a spreadsheet. So I have a spreadsheet already created. So let's wait for the Bardeen to locate it. Here we go. And yeah, that's it. Now I can save the data and move it into the spreadsheet. It will take a moment. And here we go. We have our scraped list data available in here. So yeah, this is how you can create a list scraping model and get the list of the result. Thank you.